Is it time to buy or sell SQQQ ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into SQQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since April 23, 2025, our system has ranked SQQQ as a strong sell candidate, giving it a score of -5.42. Let's take a look at the exchange-traded fund's performance during this period. We will continue monitoring this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 36.99% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 36.99% to 112.31%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -26.89%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -57.77% to 6.72% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $15.10 and $38.16. Our latest daily update for SQQQ includes the headline, SQQQ ETF price took a fall of 6.58% on Wednesday. The SQQQ ETF price declined by 6.58% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, dropping from $38.28 to $35.76. During the last trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 8.06%, ranging from a low of $33.43 to a high of $36.13. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 32.49% during this period. Volume increased on the last day by 31 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, indicating that risk may slightly increase over the next couple of days. In total, 135 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $4.83 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $62.60, while the lowest price was $26.21. Currently, the price is 42.88%, or $26.84. Below the 52-week high and 99.84%, or $21,964.24. Below the all-time high reached on the 6th of February, 2017, when the price hit $22,000. SQQQ, the ProShares Ultra-Short QQQ ETF, has been prominent in recent headlines due to significant market fluctuations. On the 9th of April, 2024, the Nasdaq experienced a remarkable 12.2% rally, raising concerns about potential volatility and declines in major technology stocks. This surge often foreshadows further downturns, reflecting patterns from previous market eras. Additionally, experts advise against using SQQQ for long-term hedging, highlighting its design for short-term tactical trading because of the inherent risks and decay effects associated with leveraged ETFs. The current market environment, characterized by uncertainty and external pressures such as geopolitical factors and economic indicators, is driving interest in inverse ETFs like SQQQ, appealing to both tactical traders and risk-averse investors seeking protection against downturns. In the short term, these factors may lead to increased trading volume and price volatility as investors respond to the sector's susceptibility to rapid changes. However, for long-term holders, the underlying instability and the leveraged nature of SQQQ could amplify losses during downturns, making it a contentious choice in a turbulent market. Overall, while SQQQ can present opportunities for short-term gains, the associated risks deserve careful consideration from traders. The following signals have been identified for SQQQ. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The SQQQ exchange-traded fund holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the fund. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at levels of $37.64 and $38.10. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and since then, it has declined by 32.49%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, a sell signal is also present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the ETF should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal, recorded 11 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, noted 14 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal, identified 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal, also identified 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal, which occurred 5 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal, noted 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, recorded 40 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages has indicated a buy signal, which emerged 30 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for SQQQ. SQQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $35.45. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund can experience significant daily fluctuations, indicating high volatility. Furthermore, with an extensive prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this ETF is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the ETF exhibited a movement of $2.70 between its peak and lowest point, which represents an 8.06% change. In the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 7.35%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SQQQ. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SQQQ is at $36.22. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a significant level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SQQQ encounters its first support level at $35.45. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. At this time, we have a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and no stop loss has been established. Is SQQQ ETF a good buy? The SQQQ ETF exhibits several negative indicators, and despite a positive trend, we anticipate that SQQQ will underperform in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, our evaluation of this ETF is negative. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our assessment from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a strong sell candidate since our last evaluation. Upon analyzing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 24th of April, we expect SQQQ to open lower by approximately 655 cents, starting at $35.11. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.